Why do we always find it difficult to love ourselves? We often make mistakes when facing ourselves. We are always full of pity for others, but forget to treat ourselves in the same way. Self-love is not a selfish behavior, but a kind of power to heal the heart and welcome the light. Self-love is the starting point of healing and the enlightenment of inner wisdom. It makes us see our own value and gives us the strength to face the challenges in life. All pain and struggles often come from the lack of self-care. When we learn to project the same love and compassion on ourselves, we can truly take the first step towards creation and happiness. When we choose to love ourselves, it is like giving ourselves an infinite compassion. This love can not only heal the wounds of the past, but also provide strength for our every step in the future. Only by loving yourself can you love others and have true joy in daily life. Facing the fluctuations of the world every day, we inevitably feel exhausted. However, if we learn to care for ourselves, we can find peace and satisfaction. True happiness does not come from the outside world, but from our inner love and peace. When you choose to love yourself every day, your daily worries will become lighter, and you can also see the hidden beauty in life. This kind of self-love allows us to look at the world with a more peaceful heart. Whether it is difficulties or challenges, they are no longer obstacles that cannot be overcome, but opportunities for us to grow. Self-love is not only gentle to yourself, but also a kind of strength. Only when we truly accept ourselves can we break the inner shackles and embrace the freedom of growth. When you learn to love yourself, the darkness in your heart will begin to dissipate, replaced by daily light and joy. Learn to face your pain and shortcomings, and embrace them with compassion. When you are willing to nourish yourself with love every day, every moment in your daily life will be the road to joy. Continuous self-love is a kind of practice. It gives us the courage to face ourselves every day, not only to accept our past, but also to keep us growing forward. This kind of self-love makes us no longer afraid of loneliness or failure, because we know that we already have an endless love in our hearts. This love will bring light in the dark and inject lasting strength and peace into our lives. Daily life is full of various challenges and tests. However, when we choose to face all this with love, the weight of life will no longer be so heavy. Self-love, it allows us to know how to maintain inner peace in the face of difficulties and find our own strength from it. This kind of love can not only soothe our emotions, but also help us find opportunities to grow in every dilemma. When you begin to love yourself, the darkness in life is no longer an obstacle that cannot be overcome, but becomes a guide for us to pursue the light. Letting go of the pain of the past is an important step for self-realization, and the starting point of this process is to learn to love yourself. Only when we can truly care for ourselves can we gradually let go of those pains and embrace the peace and joy of the moment. Daily self-love makes us no longer cling to past failures and regrets, but learn to appreciate the beauty of the present. This love will become the greatest force for us to move towards the future.